Yes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know you guys have been asking about this bear claw. I just want you guys to have a good close look at it. Let me show you what it look like. So it comes in the box. You get this from Amazon. It's $49 on Amazon. Just 50 bucks. It's lightweight. It's aluminum. It comes in a case like this. I'm saying just take it out. Um, it's very comfortable when you use it. It has like a nice cushy pad. So when you rest your arm on it, it's very comfortable. So that's what it look like right there. Just want to show you guys what it look like. Got these pads right here, and you just slide it apart just like this. Just want to give you guys a close up. That's what it look like. Your 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 arms go right here, right here. Just put your hands right there, put it to the floor, and you just do your regular exercise. Just want to show you guys have a real close up look at it. So that's what it looks like. It's called Bear Blocks. This one is like a blue aluminum. They come in like black, pink, and yellow. But I just got the blue one. It's only $49 on Amazon. So I just want to show you guys real quick what it looks like. That's what it looks like. This piece right here is like a rubber piece that when you rest your arm on is very comfortable, non-slip. The bottom right here is like a rubber piece, non-slip. Like if you have like if you're working out on tile or anything like that, this rubber piece, when you put it on your tile floor, it won't slip or anything like that. So you have two tile piece on the back of it, on the bottom, just like that. Just want you guys just to see what it look like. Show you real quick. You just put them on the floor, just like this, real comfortable. Come on, cameraman. So they're real comfortable. So you just do your regular push-ups just like this. Very comfortable. You go real deep, just like all the way down, and bring it all the way up. So they're so comfortable. You could like when I can flare my fingers out like this and still do the push-up. That's how comfortable these are. Just like this. Get a closer, cameraman, please. Just like that. And I could still do push-ups just like that, but they're real comfortable. I just want to show you guys how to use them. Real comfortable. Just like that. So I just want to show you real quick. They're called Bear Blocks. You could get them on Amazon for about 49 bucks. And I mean, you don't have to get this right here. I just got like a step ladder to do decline push-ups along with these right here. So I was use these to do my decline push-up. This was on Amazon for about 29 bucks. You don't have to get this right here. You don't have to get it, but I got it for because I wanna do more decline push-ups, just like this. Just to have a little bit more challenge when I'm doing any type of push-up. I could put my legs higher and stuff like that. So these right here, get these right here because they really helps a lot. See, they're called bear claws. I mean, no, bear blocks. I don't know why I keep saying bear claws, but they're bear blocks. And this right here is optional. Like I said, you don't have to get this right here, but I just got it for myself. It's really easy to and there's a slide right under your bed just like this. It's out of the way. When you're ready to use it, just take it out just like this. Just assemble it just like that, and you're ready to do your exercise. You don't have to get this right here, but I'm gonna put this and the bear blocks in the link. But I really want you to get these right here. You don't have to get the letter, but I'm gonna put it in the description below anyway, along with the bear blocks so you could get it. Thanks for watching my video. And I think I put a unboxing video about when I just got these in the mail. So I might just put it right here, this video right here. So I'm gonna put the video right here so you can see the unboxing video, so you guys could take a look. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.